Okay, this is my second attempt or third attempt at pork belly. And this one. So previously I had marinated it in teriyaki, and it really took up the teriyaki. It took 3 days, and then it just completely soaked it up, and it was too terry by the time I cooked it. So this one, going a little milder. Marinated in honey for about 2 days. Just pulled it out and put this mesquite rub, not mosquito rub. Put this mesquite rub on it. Got the oven set to 375, and I'm gonna let it bake in there for like, I think 40 minutes. We do have, well, I have a thermometer somewhere, so I'm going to use I don't know if I'm going to use a thermometer. We'll go 40 minutes and it'll be eyeball. So I'm kind of excited. I hope this works out. Well, okay, this will be the moment of truth. 45 minutes later. Wow. It's weird. Hold on, I gotta dump. Ooh. First off, it stretched itself out. Oh. Hold on a second. Let me pour out some of this liquid. Wow. Alright, I gotta close this up. Jeez. It looks great. It looks really good. It smells good. Okay, and interesting, it straightened itself out. Okay, the first tentative cut here. Oh boy. Smell test. It's okay, it's cooked. Wow. Okay, this is what I was hoping for. This is fantastic. Wow. That's the coolest thing I've ever done. It definitely has the sweet honey in it. It's sweet. Oh man. And it's got the mesquite. Oh, this is unbelievable. Cut up little pieces. And I do want, this is the skin. This is going to be, I don't know, pretty chewy. Maybe try to separate that. Oh, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. This is really good. I'm gonna make first a sandwich like this, and then I'm gonna do one with mayonnaise. Yeah, what's it like with mayonnaise? Okay, first here's just pig on a bun. Hello. Yummy. Man, I've never cooked like this before. This is great. I am totally stoked. Unbelievable. This frickin' caveman finally cooked something good. With meat, which is really difficult, in my opinion, to do. You gotta get a picture of this. It would be nice with I can see it. It would be nice with mayonnaise. Okay. Bon appetit. This was great.